Hello everyone, it's 12th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page, we have amid trade talks, Prime Minister speaks to Trump, says we'll work together, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have paid rupees 10 lakh to kin of man who died in police custody, NHRC to UP government, again very important for society perspective. Then we have poll panel extended SIR deadline in 5 states and 1 union territory, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have ease of living in focus. Delhi now has 13 districts in major revamp, again very important news. Moving forward, we have law to regulate school fee takes effect. At least 15% parents must complain. 3-tier framework, again very important for education perspective. Then we have Delhi air slips to very poor, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have for trying to circulate demonetized currency worth rupees 3.5 crore. 4 have been arrested, again very important. Going forward, we have 2,805 died awaiting organ transplant since 2020, says government. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have Delhi pollution, a human crisis. Beijing style plan required, says Congress MP. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Delhi creates history, a magnificent celebration of faith, unity, and harmony. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have women will fight if their names struck off, warns Mamta. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have from key data center to AI township, Telangana attracts rupees 5.75 lakh crore of investment in global summit. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have in Congress ruled Telangana quiet entry of the Vantara MOU, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have two important editorials. Indigo is too big, it will call the shots. Don't kill aviation's shining success story, again very important. Moving forward, we have punish him so other girls don't suffer. Tripati students raped by their teacher, again very important for society perspective. Then we have behind China's $1 trillion trade surplus, again very important for economic perspective. Numbers, high domestic weakness, import consumption currency, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have how Nehru, not Patel, became first Prime Minister. The politics behind 1946 Congress poll, again very important for political and governance perspective. Then we have surplus is as much a sign of imbalance as it is of strength, again very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page. Zelensky to hold urgent talks with 30 countries. Then we have US approved states of tech support for F-16 fighter jets to Pakistan. Then we have Bangladesh to hold general elections on February 12th. Then we have Pakistan military court sentences former ISI chief if to 14 years in jail. US seizes sanctioned oil tankers of Venezuela coast, says Trump. Nobel laureate Mercado praises Trump's decisive action on Maduro. Again, very important for all these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Mexico imposes 50% tariff on Indian other Asian imports. Again, very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.